guys here, so let's get right into it. This hair is Freetress Deep Twist. I used about 4 packs for $5.99 at my local beauty supply store. Now, maintenance with this hair, you always want to wrap it up. In order to maintain it and get the longevity for about 2 months, you want to separate it into pieces and twist it up. I normally use a wrapping foam by Pink, I believe that's what it's called. I don't remember right now. And I twist it like so. And I would clip it up at night and put on my silk bonnet. I had an extra large silk bonnet, so make sure you guys purchase that for the shape of your head. I use an extra large just because I personally like that one, but you can get a smaller one as long as your hair is wrapped up at night. To be completely honest, I have not been wrapping up this hair at all. I've had it in for 3 weeks and I fall asleep with it however it is that night, and I pull it apart the next morning, and you can still see that it's still, you know, acceptable. But if you do maintain it, it will be beautiful for as long as 2 months. Like I said, I've had mine in for 2 months when I kept it up. It's been 3 weeks and I don't keep it up and it still looks okay. Pros and cons about the hair: it does shed, you guys. This is a crochet hairstyle, so when I do the knots, it is a little bit of shedding. This hair sheds a lot. I'm not going to lie to you guys, it sheds. If you leave it alone, it should be okay, but if you run your fingers through it, let me see if I can get anything out. Like, it's not that bad. When it was fresh, it used to shed a lot. Like I said, it's been in for 3 weeks, so it's a little matted to where it doesn't shed too much, but there is shedding, okay, you guys? That's the only con I have about this hair. It lasts very long. It's very soft. It's a little stiff right now because I don't wrap it up, but it is very soft when you keep it maintained and moisturized. Listen, guys, this hair is synthetic, so you don't want to put too much product on it. You don't want to put any shiner on it or anything, because then it will just look too shiny and fake. I like that matte, natural look. I don't want my hair too shiny and looking like plastic, so you guys don't put too much product on it. Like I said, I just use the wrapping foam, in order to keep it soft and not knotted, if that's the right word, I don't use mousse. I know Taste Pink's video, she's the one who taught me how to maintain the hair at night. Make sure you check out her video. She used a mousse. I didn't use a mousse personally because I feel like mousse makes the hair stiffer, so I used wrapping foam. Like I said, I used 4 packs for $5.99. It took about 6 hours, so make sure you have time, you guys. You want to make sure your hair is complete. I'll show you guys the back and how it looks, how long it is. To be honest, the hair was very, very long. It was about waist length to where it was like right here. And I cut it because it was just too much. I couldn't handle all that hair. It's still a little big, as you guys can see, but I cut about like 2 packs worth out of my head. So, you guys just want to make sure you do the right dimensions and what fits your head and whatnot. I did about 10 to 11 braids in the front. Smaller and together. I did my braids small and closer together so that I get that fullness in the top. I parted my hair across in the middle and did about 5 braids in the back, because you can't really notice the hair in the back. You just want to make sure the front is smaller so that it's closer together and it's not gappy, if you guys know what I mean. And I took out a little bit of my edges to make it look natural. But that's about it, guys. I hope you guys like it. And this is a color T30, I believe. It's more of an ombre and a mix of regular and ombre blonde, if you guys wanted to know. But yeah, that's about it, guys. That's all I have for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will be doing another review on a wig I got. Her name is Tatiana. She's more of a Marley type hair. So that will be my next video. So you guys just make sure you stay tuned, and I'll see you guys later.